Ever wanted to share your Canon EOS R5's menu navigations, camera settings, or shooting insights directly with your YouTube audience? You're in the right place. To effectively screen record your Canon EOS R5, you'll need three main things: your camera, a capture card, and screen recording software on your computer. First, on your EOS R5, navigate to the HDMI settings. You'll want to ensure your HDMI output is clean, meaning no overlays like shooting information are present. This provides a pristine feed for your recording. Within the HDMI info display settings, select the option for no info display. This ensures a clean feed for your screen recording. Next, connect your R5's HDMI output to the input of your capture card. Then, connect the capture card's USB output to your computer. Your computer will now recognize the camera as a video input source. Open your preferred screen recording software, like OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS. Add a new video capture device source and select your capture card from the recognized devices. You should now see your R5's live feed. Before you hit record, adjust your recording settings within the software. Match your recording resolution to your R5's output, typically 1080p, and set your frame rate for smooth playback, often 30 or 60 frames per second. Now, as you navigate your R5's menus, change settings, or demonstrate features, your screen recording software will capture every detail. This allows for incredibly clear and engaging tutorials or reviews. With these steps, you're ready to produce professional quality screen recordings of your Canon EOS R5, perfect for sharing your expert insights with your YouTube audience.